Alright guys, once the tank's in, once the water's in, hello, welcome back my friends. Today we are showing you this Sodaology soda maker. We're going to go ahead and unbox it, show you guys everything you get. Easy to clean, do it yourself any drink, carbonating from the bottom, electric free portable. Well, that's interesting. Let's go ahead and open this up, show you guys everything you get. Okay, so a couple things. They give you 2 bottles. Easy cleaning, as it's stated. It says, please make sure to tighten the cap before use, so make sure the cap is tight. It says expiration date on there as well. Got their little logo. BPA free. Hand wash only. No freezing. Don't use or store above 122 degrees Fahrenheit. Max fill line. And it looks like they give you 2 bottles. Pretty awesome. Okay, this is the actual machine. Obviously, you're going to have your canister and whatnot. You're going to press it to start it. Of course, you would remove the little cap on there. You will need the gas canister, so keep that in mind. You'll use a gas canister for setting everything up. You'll place it like this. The bottle's going to go in here, and you will push down and turn. You should be able to push it and turn it, and it shouldn't go anywhere. So keep that in mind. It should be tight. It shouldn't go anywhere. Then you twist, pull it back up like that. Again, it should not go anywhere. So keep that in mind. Alright guys, so this is the Sodaology, and we're going to go ahead, put our tank underneath here. So you place the tank inside, and you turn it. Once you have it inside, you go ahead and you turn it. You don't have to make it super tight. Turn it until it locks. And there we go. Fill your water up. You don't have to fill it to the max line. I recommend not filling it to the max line. Alright guys, once the tank's in, once the water's in, once you hear the sound of it hissing, that's enough. You're done. Then you wait and you let it go until the hissing stops. So slowly press and you'll hear a hissing. You wait until that hissing stops. Once the hissing just stops, you can then take your bottle out. Press the button on the top of the cap. This will release the pressure. So there's going to be a button on top here. Press that, and then it's safe to open up your top. You can then add in your flavoring. So whatever flavoring you have, you can add your flavoring. So we just added our Coke flavoring into here. And now we can go put the lid back on and we can shake it a little bit. This will build up pressure again. As you can see, it's building up. So you can see how the pressure's built up. And of course, press the button again to release some pressure as well. And now that our flavoring is mixed up pretty good. We can take it out and pour ourselves a drink. A little flat. We probably could have done a little more carbon in the water. But not too bad. I think we'll do a little more carbon in the water. Make sure the lid's on tight. Make sure this is down. Now you gotta be careful when you have flavoring in. When you put flavoring in, you don't want to do too much, or the pressure will build up too high. Alright, so we hear the sound. We hear it hissing. When it hisses, you stop. You wait until that hissing goes away. So we're going to wait till that hissing goes away. And this is just, we added more carbon in the water. So we can still hear it a little bit. So we'll just let it be for a little bit. We can also, we'll wait. So we can actually see it slowly, carbon building up. That doesn't sound like it anymore. So we can remove it. Now we can release the pressure. Just a little at a time. And there we go. We're done. Now it's probably going to be much better. Oh yeah. That's much better. We can see it fizzing. Yep. Now it's like a soda.